Hello there, crafters. I'm Beth and I am with Craft-e-Corner. We are an authorized retailer for Cricut, but we also put out all sorts of content for you to get education and inspiration with your own Cricut. Today we're going to be unboxing the Cricut Explore 3. We will set it up in Design Space and complete our first project. Here is the Cricut Explore 3 in the box. Let's open it up. Right away when you open it, you will see the welcome packet. We will open that up in a little bit. Then we have some sample material. Under that is the machine. I'm going to take that out and we'll open it in a minute. Under the machine, you will find the power cord and the USB cord. Let's go ahead and unwrap the machine. And remove this tab. I'm going to show you the buttons on the machine first. Here is the power button, the load button, the go or cut button, and the pause button. Over on this side, there are two different depth storage spaces. Great for pens and tools, and the open button. Next, I'm going to open the welcome packet. Inside, you will find the Let's Get Started guide, a piece of smart vinyl, warranty information, and safety instructions. Included with the machine is some sample materials. Here we have another piece of smart vinyl, transfer tape, smart iron-on, and smart sticker cardstock. Now let's take a look inside. Press the open button and watch as it magically opens. You will need to remove the foam around the blade carriage. Setting up the machine in Design Space is next. We'll click on the hamburger menu in Design Space and select New Product Setup. Then Smart Cutting Machine and Cricut Explore 3. Then all we have to do is follow the steps. First one is to make sure you have enough space behind your machine. Step 2 is to plug the Explore 3 in and power on. And the last step is to plug the machine into USB to the computer. I will plug the power cord in and the USB cord. Then we need to come back to Design Space and select our machine from the drop-down and hit Continue. Now all that is left is to activate. Agree to the terms of use and hit Activate. It will check for any updates you need and activate the machine. And we're all set. Now we can make our first project. Select which image set you want to try. I'll go with this one and hit next. Step 1 is to make sure that the fine point blade is in clamp B. The blade comes pre-installed in clamp B, so I'm good. Then we need to load our smart vinyl into the machine. It will take the small piece of smart vinyl that came with the welcome packet and place it under those guides and give it a slight nudge against the rollers. Click the flashing load button and the machine will load the vinyl. It will do a quick measurement to make sure there is enough material. Then the go or cut button will begin flashing. So I can click on that and it will begin cutting. After it is done cutting, the load button will flash again. Click this button and it will unload the material. I am going to work with one decal at a time, so I'm going to cut just the first one. Make it a little easier. Next up is weeding. I take my weeder and just kind of dig it into the vinyl in a corner. Then kind of grab the vinyl and pull it back. Then we'll do the same concept for the letters. Then I can take the transfer tape that came with the machine and cut a piece just slightly larger than my design. Peel back the backing. And place it over my design. Use a scraper to burnish it down well. To peel off the backing of the vinyl, I flip it over and keep the design flat on the surface and carefully peel back. If there are parts that are not sticking to the transfer tape, then just give it another little press down. Then it's ready to place it on a surface. I chose this mason jar, which might have been a bit small, so you should pick something a little bigger and maybe flat for your first project. Using your fingers or a scraper, make sure it is pressed down to the surface you chose well. Then peel back the transfer tape, and you just created your first project. Thank you so much for watching today while we unboxed the Cricut Explore 3. Set it up in Design Space, and did our first project. If you're looking at purchasing a Cricut, head on over to Craft-e-Corner.com. If you would like to check out more videos, click here. And don't forget to subscribe to be the first to see all of our videos. See you next time.